Misuzulu Kazwelithini, Kazwelithini kaBhekuzulu, Bhekuzulu kaSolomon, Solomon kaDinuzulu, Dinuzulu kaMpande, Mpande kaSenza ngakhona. Tomorrow will be handed over to be seen by all of us as the president saying, here it is, because abakwaZulu nendlu yonke sebembekile ngesikhathi ephuma esibayeni. So there should be no confusion. Tomorrow there is no coronation of the king. It's handing over of certificate because that has been done. Yours is to make sure that all happens peacefully, as Commissioner or as General Slapane has pronounced and has announced, has put online what is our job. General Slapane, you left just one point, one portion on the elaboration of the Constitution. You said we must uphold the law. The portion you left that and enforce it. That's the portion you left. We uphold the law and enforce it. Tomorrow, starting from yesterday, today, tomorrow and after, your job is to enforce the law. Anything, anybody that gets out of the way, you must make sure that you put that person back on space so that tomorrow and thereafter, the situation and the event is given the dignity that it deserves. Half of you are here as we are deployed in the province, because our deployment is not just here at Tewini, it's in the province. There are routes of people that are coming here. We have saturated those routes as people come here. You are deployed on the hotels, you are deployed around where people will be. You'll be given your jobs what to do. Please stick with your job. Please stick with what you're supposed to do. But also yourselves, stick with the behavior. You must make sure that you behave at the highest level so that this kind of event is blessed as supposed to be, is respected. For it to be respected, you are supposed to respect it, and you respect yourself. Help one another, call to one another if get out of the way, remind one another that's not the way of doing things. Remember, the world and the eyes of the world are on you. Remember that you are representatives, you are the face of the government, you are the face of the event. The world tomorrow will descend upon you. Please be good representative. Do things that you're supposed to do and don't do things that you are not supposed to do. So that will be important. Starting from now on, South Africa must have hope on you. When you see things that are not supposed to be there, deal with those things decisively, but do everything within the law. Be decisive, be tough, keep the law, uphold the law, and enforce the law. Glad that here we are multi-party, we are multi-organization approach. Everybody's here, starting from the police, their different units. I can see the road traffic inspectorate. Remember that the crime itself is on the road. Stop it there on the highway. I see the Metro Police. I see other components, crime intelligence. Everybody is here. Today, tomorrow is a big day. We all belong here. We say tomorrow, Bayete, when KoweSilo. Make sure that you are there to protect and serve, or to serve and protect. Not a day to talk too much, it's a day to do more. So it will be important that you be dismissed and go to your places, to your post. Don't leave your post, but make sure that you assist and you assist one another, you support one another, you support that or those thousands of people that would be here, 48,000 of them would be expected to be here, and there will be an overflow of people outside the stadium. We still have to support wherever they will be. So the day will start early tomorrow. Know that the gates open at 7:30, as the minister, Zuma, said, and then we'll be there early. Don't only enforce the law, but also take care of those individuals, of those people that will be there. You see an elderly person, assist those persons. You see a young one, assist those persons. Make them to find the way and make everybody feel comfortable, but more than anything, make everybody safe. Finally, when the sun goes down tonight, you must understand that the safety of all of us starts. You are not allowed to sleep. You are not allowed to deviate and get out of your way. You are not allowed to drink things that you're not supposed to drink. You are allowed to drink. Go out and drink a lot. Please drink a lot, my boys. My boys, drink a lot of water. So that we are very sharp, we are very fresh, we are vigilant, you are agile, and be able to face the big once-off task that will be in front of you. Thank you very much, police management. Now you can tell them to go and work. We are memeza Ogandaba. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Minister. Colleagues, the Minister has spoken. Minister, we are here, as the General Servant have said, ours is to execute the job, and we shall do that on air. We've got air operations, we'll do that on land, at the stadium, in hotels, and many other critical places, and we shall do that at sea. In water, that's where we operate. Minister, without wasting much time, I want to thank you and the Deputy Minister, General Servant, for being here. And I'm going to invite Laba Batandindaba. Ngoba badeli lento ishilo Minister, ngizocela ukuthi basuke namakhamera abo bami ngala babhekisa amakhamera abo kule angle uMinister uzoma laphansi ukuze nikwazi uku-interview. Nginikeza u1 minute nikwenza lokho. Ngaphandle lokho ehamba Minister.